Sold off some scrap. 10 bucks, dude. Gonna have a good lunch today. So just left our dudes Simplicities in Antioch. Ow! Look at that. New BK trucker hats. So get your hands on one of these. I think they're gonna be about 15 bucks, somewhere in there probably. So get in line because there's very few of them right now. I'm gonna be shipping some out to some faves of ours and quickly going to mod out mine because I gotta be a little different. Can't be all like all y'all. Alright, I gotta get out of here before the mailman cuts me off right now. I have to go into the actual post office. I don't think I've been into a post office in, I don't know, a year and a half. So, that's gonna, hey, there's a little ATV for sale over there. I might have to check that out. Maybe a post office run wasn't the worst thing to do today. So I printed a label online. Canadian label. Customs forms and everything. And then the guy bought some more stuff, so I added it to the box. Now I'm like 2 pounds heavy. Now I gotta go to the post office because it's too late to cancel the thing online. Oh God. Old school right here. Leaving the post office with my box still. Due to the online rates and the difference, it's like $35, so no. I'm gonna figure something else out. And I might jump the fence and go check out that little ATV because it kind of looks like it's got a for sale sign on it, but kind of doesn't. Oh, can't forget this up here. While we're out and about today, we might as well stop in for a little history. We almost bought this boat. It was probably a Wednesday. And I came out, took a look at it. Guy was like, it's gonna go to the scrap yard this weekend. Hemmed and hawed, thought about it really hard. And we didn't buy it. Well, that was probably a good 5 years ago. And it doesn't look like it made it to the scrapyard. Snagged some shop supplies that Mike didn't really snag. So I'm at Menards looking for butt connectors. Actually bullet connectors, but butt was a better joke. I'll do a number 6 with cheese, please. And Coke or Pepsi or whatever.
You said number 6 with cheese?
Yes, please.
Do you like that American cheese or a cheddar?
American cheese is good.
Okay, would you like the combo small, medium, large?
Medium.
And you said with a Coke?
Yes, please.
Okay, would you like anything else today?
No, that was it.
824, first winner, thank you.
Thank you. Holy shit.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thanks. Oh, P.S. This isn't for me. Mike, it looks like they forgot your fries. What's up?
Oh, you brought me lunch.
Yeah.
You're my best.
Got those hats.
What?
I got those connectors, and they don't
Did you
have
eat my fries?
No, I didn't eat your fries. What happened? What'd you do? They don't carry McGuire's at Menards.
Well, that's what Chris Mann told me you got it.
Well, maybe they don't carry it at that Menards. I got those butt connectors too. Bullet connectors. But. To the shop just in time for this. Let's see what UPS dropped off. Oh, good. Stator. Tested working stator. So that's good news right there. All hands on deck on that one. I'm not going to take my eyes off of that. fly racing jerseys and shirts and whatnot. Toilet paper. Mike! Get out here. Did you order toilet paper for your camper? Toilet paper? Going through the surface ride shops, bins that I bought out of Belvedere this past weekend. And this is the best way I can figure to do it. Just dump it out. This is my second bin. Taking eBay pictures of it right away. Getting it out of here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more bins left. So it's a long day. It might be a long night. I gotta burn through this stuff because there's tons stacked up after this. So can't say it's been the most productive day today, but not bad, not bad. Got some good stuff done. And you know what? Look at that. Where are we at? Where are we at here? Oh, it's only 12:30. Man, I got all day left, so that's not bad. But it's been 12:30 on that computer for the last 3 hours or so. Yeah, it's really 2:30. Shit. P.S. This isn't for me. Mike, looks like they forgot your fries.
I figured.